Having trouble logging into ChatGPT? Yeah, it can be frustrating, especially when you need answers fast. Don't worry, most login problems have simple fixes. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT login issues in 2026. First, double-check your email and password. Make sure your caps lock isn't on and there are no typos. If you forgot your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. Sometimes login issues happen because your account isn't verified. Check your email inbox, including spam, for a verification message from OpenAI and complete the verification. Old cache or cookies can prevent login. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. This usually fixes common login glitches. If it still doesn't work, switch browsers or devices. Chrome, Edge, and Firefox usually work best. Testing on a different device helps identify if the problem is device-specific. Sometimes the issue isn't on your end. Check OpenAI's status page to see if servers are down or experiencing high traffic. Waiting a few minutes can solve the problem. VPNs, ad blockers, or browser extensions can interfere with login. Try disabling them temporarily and attempt to log in again. If none of these steps work, contact OpenAI support. Provide screenshots, your email, and device info. They can help resolve more complex login problems. And that's it. Check your credentials, verify your email, clear cache, try another browser, check server status, disable VPNs or extensions, and contact support if needed. Following these steps will fix most ChatGPT login problems quickly.